Of count 1, the accused is sentenced to undergo 10 years imprisonment. However, 2 years imprisonment of, let me try that again, 10 years imprisonment, of which 2 years imprisonment is suspended for a period of 5 years, on condition that the accused is not again convicted of contravening section 17 of the Riotous Assemblies Act 17 of 1956, which is committed during the period of suspension.
Kule minyaka 10 phakathi ejele onikezelwa yona ithe inkantolo ikulungisela iminyaka emibili kusho ukuthi uzodonsa iminyaka ewu-8. Leyo minyaka emibili olengiselwe yona ulengiselwa yona iminyaka emihlanu. Leyo minyaka emihlanu eyobilandela lapho mangabe-ke usuqedile ukudonsa isigwebo sakho akufuneka utholakala ulahle icala elinjengaleli lokuthi kube wena umuntu ophehla udlame noma udweshu mangabe kukhona okuthize okwenzakalayo.
For count 2, the accused is sentenced to undergo 6 years imprisonment.
Kule lesibili unikezwe isigwebo seminyaka ewu-6 phakathi ejele.
In terms of the provisions of section 280 subsection 2 of Act 51 of 1977, the court orders that 2 years imprisonment in respect of count 2 is served concurrently with the sentence in count 1.
Kulesigwebo sesibili seminyaka ewu-6 ngaphakathi ejele ithi-ke inkantolo-ke emibili yaleyo minyaka leyo kulo-6 uzoyidonsa kanye usho ukuthi izohambisana nale yesigwebo sokuqala seminyaka ewu-8 phakathi ejele.
In total, therefore, Mr. Zuma, it is a sentence of 12 years imprisonment.
Kazi ukuthi-ke mangabe-ke seyonkana le minyaka uzoyidonsa kule minyaka ewu-12 phakathi ejele.
Do you understand the sentence imposed?
Uzwile-ke isigwebo nikezwe sona Mnumzane uZuma? Understood, Your Worship.
Mr. Curtin, any further submissions?
As the court is Lordship, no, there's none, Lordship.
Mr. Ganga?
That's an oversight, I think. The witness not dealt with the firearms control act.